Welcome once again on our online edu classes, class 8, chapter number 1, rational number, part 2. Topic to be covered today is multiplicative identity, multiplicative inverse, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now starting with our first topic, multiplicative identity. The product of any rational number and 1 is rational number itself. Now you can see here, when we multiply a by b with 1, we get a by b. One more example you can see, when we multiply a into 1, we get a. When we multiply 3 into 1, we get 3. So we can conclude that the multiplicative identity property state that if a number is multiplied by 1, the result is that number. The next property which we are going to discuss is our multiplicative inverse. Now what is this multiplicative inverse? In simple word, we can say the reciprocal. Now here you can see a by b is the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of b by a. Now b by a is called the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a by b. Now here in this you can see, when a is multiplied by 1 by a, we get 1 only. Why? Because a and a get cancelled. Now here you can see one cool tip I want to give you. The cool tip is, there is no rational number which when multiplied by 0 gives 1. Thus 0 has no reciprocal. 0 is only the number which has no reciprocal. Now the next property which we are going to discuss is our distributive property. Now what is this distributive property? The word itself means distribute. Now what we are going to distribute here, let's see. The multiplication of rational number is distributive over their addition. Now take one example here. The example is when a multiply with b plus c. How we can write? First we multiply a into b, we get ab. Then we put plus sign. Again we have to multiply a into c, we get ac. Now one more time you see, when we multiply a into b, we get ab. When we multiply a into c, we get ac. One example you can see, when 5 is multiplied with 2 plus 3, what we get? We get 5 into 2 plus 5 into 3. So 5 into 2 we get 10, 5 into 3 we get 15. So 10 plus 15 is 25. This is only called the distributive property over their addition. Hope you understood. Thank you very much and have a nice day.